Oh, we're getting into the car wash, Yiseo. Oh, first over, he's spraying water. It's much cheaper.
다른 데 기름 넣어도 좋아.
Ooh, look at this. He's spraying water.
Yes.
귀 잡으래.
난 또 안쪽 닦아주는 줄 알지.
And then you need to change your gear. Yeah, look at that. The machine is working for the other car over there. Junction car wash, I think so.
Yes.
Okay, we're getting in there. Phew. Right. Look at the machine working out there. Stop. You change your gear.
The car wash.
What? Can you say that again?
We are going to the car wash.
Yes.
이제 케이블카가 재밌어? 카우시가 재밌어?
케이블카랑 카와시랑 둘 다.
Wow, look at that. It's spraying the bubbles.
It's pink,
Yeah.
green, purple,
Purple.
and green.
Oh, yeah, the
And
light.
blue.
Yes. Wow, look at this. This machine is spraying bubbles all over this car. Look behind. Look behind.
This car is no bubble.
Oh, yeah. This car is covered with all the bubbles. Oh, and it's already washing. Wow.
It's but scary.
Oh, it's a bit scary? Is this? Wow.
Wow. I think it's junction car wash.
Oh, yeah, you think it's a junction car wash. What's those called? What are those called?
Wash.
Brush. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think so. Oh. Look, the machine is already drying. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, and now what?
A special spray? I think it's a special spray.
Oh, is this a special spray? Yeah, it's kind of a big, huge, enormous dryer. Wow, what's this?
It was so fun.
Wow, that was fun. Oh, we've got the last one.